A sore throat can strike at the worst possible time, leaving you feeling miserable and struggling to swallow. But what if I told you that relief could be found right in your kitchen? Today, we're going over the 7 best natural remedies you can use at home to treat a sore throat and get back to feeling your best. No need to rush to the pharmacy. These simple remedies are just as effective. A sore throat is one of the most common health complaints, and it can be caused by a variety of things, including viral infections, bacterial infections, dry air, allergies, or even excessive talking or yelling. The discomfort can range from a mild irritation to a severe pain that makes swallowing almost unbearable. But here's the good news. Many effective remedies don't require a prescription. You can soothe your throat naturally with ingredients and techniques you likely already have at home. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven natural remedies to help you treat your sore throat fast without medication. From honey and ginger to saltwater gargles, these methods will bring you much-needed relief. Let's start with a classic remedy that has stood the test of time: the saltwater gargle. It's simple yet incredibly effective. Salt has natural antibacterial properties, and when dissolved in warm water, it helps reduce swelling and flush out mucus and bacteria that may be causing the irritation. To make a saltwater gargle, simply mix half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water and gargle for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this several times a day for best results. Studies have shown that saltwater gargling can reduce the severity of sore throats and even prevent infections from worsening. Next up is honey, one of the most powerful natural remedies for sore throats. Honey is not only soothing, but it also has antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections. Its thick consistency coats the throat, providing instant relief from irritation while also reducing cough. Research published in the Journal of Primary Care found that honey is more effective than common over-the-counter cough suppressants for reducing the frequency of coughing at night, which can be a major cause of throat discomfort. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of honey into warm water, tea, or even lemon juice and sip it throughout the day. Just be sure to avoid giving honey to children under the age of 1 due to the risk of botulism. Ginger is another powerhouse when it comes to sore throat remedies. It's well known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce the swelling and irritation in your throat, while also fighting off any underlying infections. A study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger has strong antibacterial and antiviral effects, making it ideal for treating sore throats caused by both bacterial and viral infections. To make ginger tea, simply slice a few pieces of fresh ginger root and boil them in water for about 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon for an extra soothing effect, and sip this tea throughout the day to keep inflammation down and your throat feeling better. Sometimes, a sore throat is caused by dry air irritating your throat and nasal passages. This is especially common during the winter months when heaters are on full blast. Steam inhalation is an excellent remedy for moisturizing dry airways and soothing throat discomfort. To try this, boil some water. Pour it into a bowl and lean over it with a towel draped over your head to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can also add eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil to the water for added benefits, as these essential oils have anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties. Not only does steam help open up your airways, but it also provides instant relief by moisturizing your throat and loosening mucus that may be causing irritation. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is another great remedy for sore throats due to its natural antibacterial properties. ACV is acidic, which helps kill off bacteria while balancing the pH levels in your throat, making it less hospitable for infections to thrive. To use apple cider vinegar for a sore throat, mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with warm water and gargle it for about 30 seconds. Be sure to dilute it properly, as undiluted vinegar can be harsh on your throat. You can also drink this mixture by adding honey to make it more palatable. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that apple cider vinegar has strong antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the symptoms of a sore throat, especially when used early on. If you're looking for a lesser-known remedy, marshmallow root might be your answer. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the throat, making it a great option for dry, scratchy throat pain. Marshmallow root tea has been used for centuries to relieve throat discomfort. To make the tea, simply steep 1 tablespoon of dried marshmallow root in hot water for 10 minutes. Sip the tea slowly throughout the day, allowing the mucilage to coat your throat and provide relief. While research on marshmallow root is still growing, anecdotal evidence supports its use for soothing sore throats and even calming coughs. Lastly, one of the simplest and most important remedies for a sore throat is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps keep your throat moist, reduces irritation, and flushes out toxins from your system. Dehydration can make a sore throat feel much worse, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas, broths, and even ice-cold water can help soothe your throat, but avoid caffeinated or alcoholic beverages, as they can dehydrate you and worsen the condition. Hydration not only supports your throat, but also helps your immune system fight off whatever is causing your sore throat, whether it's a virus, bacteria, or dry air. A sore throat can be a real pain, literally. But with these 7 natural remedies, you can soothe your symptoms quickly and effectively from the comfort of your home. Whether you're gargling salt water, sipping ginger tea, or steaming your airways, these time-tested treatments are gentle, safe, and backed by science. Remember, if your sore throat persists for more than a few days, or if you're experiencing more severe symptoms like a high fever or difficulty swallowing, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. But for those mild to moderate sore throats, these remedies are an easy and effective way to find relief. Have you tried any of these remedies for a sore throat? Let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural health tips, home remedies, and wellness advice. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.